Hi, this video is about publishing a video in Captivate that plays to the size of the browser, whether it is your laptop or desktop, cell phone or tab, and not face the issue that you are currently seeing on the screen. For example, if I play this video, this plays to the limitations of the project size and leaves behind the extra space in the browser. So let's see how we overcome this. So here is my video on the slide. Your first step is to obviously go to publish to computer, and make sure that scalable HTML content is checked. And please remember that this is specific to HTML5 and SWF videos, not the MP4 videos. If you go with MP4 video, then you do not face this issue. An MP4 video will play to the size of the browser or the screen that's on which it's being watched. But this is specifically for HTML5 and SWF videos. Once you publish with scalable content, let's see the output. Okay, now you see the difference in the video. It takes in all the size that's available on the screen. Again, this is good for every device, mobile, desktop. And remember, you are allowed to do this for your software simulations, video demonstrations, both of them, no issues. And I hope this has helped you. Consider subscribing to my channel. I plan to release weekly videos regarding e-learning tricks in Adobe Captivate. Have a nice day. Bye bye.